Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're having a problem with the heater. The heat is on, indoor temperature 66, heat at 73, but the heat is not working. So one small problem with these heat furnaces are the furnace limit switch, and is located right above, right there, as you can see. It's a simple part, easy to use. You want to turn off your furnace switch, put it to an off position, remove the wires, and with the magic of video editing, you take out the old one and we're gonna put the new one in. That's the old one, and the new one, again with the magic of editing, is gonna go back in place, bolted on. It's a 5-minute, 10-minute job. It's not hard at all. These parts are very cheap. They're about 15 bucks. You put the wires back in, you turn the unit back on, and we're gonna wait for this to kick in. You're gonna hear the unit do its cycle, and you're gonna hear the blower fan start working. You're gonna hear pretty much once it cycles, it takes about 30 seconds to a minute once it gets to that level, and once it's ready to have the heat kick in, the ignited light will come on, as you can see. And once the ignited light comes on, you're gonna see the flames turning on. And there it goes. So that's it. That's all it takes to get your heater going. Let me know what you think. Leave your comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Peace out.